Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make the best fried rice. It is very easy but very tasty. Let's get started. Ingredients: pour the oil into the pan. You stir fry the onions and the garlic until you can smell their flavor. Fry an egg scramble style. When the egg is almost cooked, add some rice in. Stir fry them all together using high heat. Do not put sauce until the rice is mixed with oil and other stuff. If you put the sauce before the rice is mixed, then you will get a moist and sticky texture rice. Add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce and 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add shrimp. My shrimps were already boiled, so I didn't want to stir fry them for a long time, or it would be too hard. Put some sliced up spring onions in. I also have the ingredients down below if you guys want to check it out. Now, enjoy your plate! Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe.